Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Teresa Love here. Thank you so much for clicking, it means so much. So today I want to do a fun makeup look. I'm going to recreate the Carrie Underwood Cry Pretty eyeshadow makeup look, and I will show you a picture. If you want to see how I created this Cry Pretty by Carrie Underwood makeup look, then just keep watching. It's the Cry Pretty album cover that Carrie Underwood did, and it's pink and sparkly and it looks like you're crying glitter, and I just thought it would be super pretty. I already have my foundation on, my concealer. I have concealer on my eyelids and my eyelids set with setting powder. And so now I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow look. makeup look turned out. It was so much fun to create, even funner than the Dory because it was just like super random and I didn't have to be careful at all. I hope you can create this look and maybe you'd like to tag me on Instagram at TeresaLoves3 and I would love to see your new creations. I decided to use the crystals in the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. I used silver, hot pink, and this crystal pewter, like blue, and it turned out super cute. I love this look. It's just so fun to create. I was gonna use the Stila liquid glitter, but these NYX crystals actually worked perfectly and they stay on really well and they're not thick, so it didn't look like triangles dripping down from my face. And I did lots of highlight to create a crazy glowy look and blush to make that red, like when you cry your face gets really red, so I did lots of blush. And I even put black eyeliner on the bottom and then smudged it, and then I put mascara on and I did not wait for it to dry and I just closed my eyes a bunch of times and it created this like lash mark that you get when you cry. If you have mascara on, it's not waterproof and you cry and you close your eyes, it's like the real cry pretty look. I'm like so excited because it turned out so good and it looks real. And then I also added red on the bottom because your eyes get really red and puffy when you cry. So I wanted to make more of a real natural look instead of like a fake perfect glitter cry, because when we cry it's not perfect, it's not beautiful. So I wanted to just make it as like dramatic and real as possible. You can pretty lie, say it's okay, you can pretty smile, just walk away, pretty much fake your way through anything, but you can't cry pretty. I love the song Cry Pretty. It's so emotional, but I love emotional songs and it's really true, like you truly can't cry pretty. And that's okay, sometimes you just have to let it out. And I really feel like Carrie Underwood has always been such a great role model and she seems like such a sweet person. And I'm so happy that she came out with this new album and that it's just so real. If you could also like this video, that would be awesome. And if you'd subscribe, I would love for you to join the family. Thanks! Thank you so much for watching and I hope to do more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.